Hello, welcome to a new video about the new Arrowmax SGS Pro Smart Electric Engraving and Polishing Pen. The SGS Pro comes in a smart package with a space gray aluminium tray. The SGS Pro has a smart, easy to use screw on the top to attach your different bits. You simply open the screw and attach your bit. The bit tray comes with various bits, all from polishing to sanding or engraving. The SGS Pro has 4 different power settings and 1 automatic settings. The SGS Pro is easily packaged with all your bits and easily attached in your aluminium space gray tray. Get yours today. Arrowmax SGS Pro Smart Electric Engraving and Polishing Pen.